Is it safe for people to take vaccine who are suffering from acute bronchitis?
Yes. Acute bronchitis, if it is an acute attack where the person is actually wheezing and suffering at the moment, I would recommend that they go ahead and wait for the acute attack to subside. If suppose somebody is suffering from recurrent bronchitis, but at the moment is in a stable condition, it is very important that you go ahead and take the vaccine, because COVID-19, we all know now, is a respiratory virus illness and therefore affects the lungs the most. And so it could become a double whammy if you had a bronchitis as well as COVID-19 infection. So to prevent that COVID-19 infection and lungs getting affected by it, it is important to take the vaccine. But we take the vaccine when the person is not in an acute phase of bronchitis.